Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy. In this video, you'll learn a powerful strategy called liquidity hunting, a technique used by smart money and market makers to trap retail traders. If you've ever been caught in a fake breakout or sudden reversal, this strategy will completely change your approach. What is liquidity hunting? Liquidity hunting refers to the deliberate moves made by big players, banks, institutions, and market makers to grab liquidity from obvious retail zones like equal highs, lows, support resistance, trend lines, etc. The goal? Fill large orders at premium or discounted prices before the real move begins. This strategy foundation. This strategy combines order blocks, market structure break, MSB, FVGs, fair value gaps, liquidity pools, equal highs lows, Fibonacci retracement for confluence, levels 0.62 to 0.786. Step-by-step setup. 1. Identify liquidity zones. Look for equal highs, lows, trendline touches, or visible support resistance levels. Mark areas where retail traders are likely to place stop losses. 2. Wait for liquidity grab. Price will break these zones temporarily to collect orders. Watch for sharp rejection or a wick spike. This is your sign that smart money has taken interest. 3. Look for a break of structure, BOS or MSB. Once liquidity is taken, wait for a market structure shift, like a higher high after a sweep of lows. 4. Mark the last order block or FVG. Identify the candle or zone that caused the break of structure. 5. Entry with confluence. Use Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high. Entry zone between 0.62 to 0.786 retracement, aligning with your OB or FVG. 6. Entry trigger. Wait for price to tap your zone and show confirmation, engulfing candle, rejection wick, or bullish-bearish pattern. Stop loss and take profit. Stop loss just below the order block or the liquidity grab wick. Take profit, use 1-3 minimum RR. First TP at internal liquidity, final TP at external highs, lows, or imbalance fill. Risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. This strategy is powerful, but only when executed with patience and discipline. Timeframes. Ideal for 1 min, 5 min, and 50 min, scalping in intraday. Higher timeframes for confirmation, 1H and 4H. Final thoughts. Liquidity hunting flips the script on traditional retail trading. Instead of being the hunted, you become the hunter. Master this concept, and you'll start seeing the market with new eyes. Comment below if you've ever been stopped out by a fake breakout. This strategy will save you. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon